Provincial court judges don't often publish written decisions to the public, but Judge Wayne Gorman is usually the exception. In a decision published earlier this month, Gorman did not hold back on what he thought of the RNC's handling of a case that ended up in his courtroom. A 17-year-old girl said she was being harassed by her ex-boyfriend. Her mother called the police 3 times, but rather than investigate, they told her to go file for a peace bond. Whenever the police receive a complaint involving an allegation that a present or former intimate partner is acting in a harassing or threatening manner, it should be fully investigated, Gorman wrote. Too many women have been murdered in such circumstances for anything less to be acceptable.
That is pretty much the status quo.
Violence prevention advocate Olivia Lynch wasn't surprised. She says women often come to her group after running into roadblocks with police.
While I can appreciate that there may be staffing issues or resource issues for the RNC, that is no excuse for women facing some of the most extreme times of their life.
When a peace bond is contested, it goes to a provincial court trial. Legal aid does not do peace bond applications, meaning people are on the hook if they want to hire a lawyer.
You do want to be represented adequately. You don't want to shell out thousands of dollars potentially for a lawyer out of your own pocket for something that at max can last up for 12 months as a peace bond would.
Gorman says this is leaving women in untenable and potentially life-threatening positions. He says, quote, "If this case constitutes the typical reaction of the police to complaints of threatening intimate partner behavior, then they need to rethink their approach." In a brief statement to CBC News, a spokesperson for the RNC says they've met with the family in Corner Brook and expressed regret for how the situation was handled. They say a review is now underway. Ryan Cooke, CBC News, St. John's.